All right, in this video, I'm going to explain what an AI agent is so you can easily understand it, show you a real life example of an AI agent, and let you know why it's important that you know what this is and know how to start using it because the future is here and AI agents are going to be literally everywhere. So it's time for you to get on board. All right, so let's get started with what an AI agent is in case you're hearing this term being thrown around, you're not sure what it is. So basically, an AI agent is the actual, whereas AI is the brain, an AI agent is the body, the calendar, the laptop, the cup of coffee that actually gets ready to do the work. So if the regular AI is a chef with 100 recipes in their head, an AI agent is the one actually cooking the dinner, plating it, serving it to your guests without burning the garlic bread. So that's an easy analogy to actually understand the difference between AI and an AI agent. Now, here is kind of a breakdown to make this even easier, hopefully, to understand. There's 4 steps to this that goes into AI agents and how they operate. So the first step is, of course, the input. So the user provides a task to the AI agent, what you want the AI agent to actually do. So it starts with an input. And then the process. So from there, from whatever this input is, the AI agent determines the best approach to what the user wants accomplished. To whatever this input is, the AI agent will then analyze it and determine how it can best accomplish the process using the AI models, the workflows, everything that is in place and at the AI's fingertips. Next comes the action piece. So the AI agent performs the tasks such as whatever the input is, it will perform. So maybe you have it set up to send emails, analyze emails, book flights, start a Google Sheet, whatever the case may be, it's going to actually do the action. And then the learning phase, this is where this gets super powerful. The more the AI agent does, it will improve its performance over time by remembering the preferences. So it'll continually refine and improve and get more efficient over time. So it's not a one size, one set it and forget it type deal. It's going to improve it over time, get better and better, get more efficient. It's just like if you use ChatGPT more and more, it's going to save your conversation. It's going to start to learn kind of what you want. And then it's going to give you better results based on the prior conversations you had with it. So the AI agent is going to work similar to that. Another analogy for you, if you have a babysitter, right? When the parents go out, they don't just hand over the house keys. They give actual instructions, right? They're like, the bedtime is 8 p.m., no cookies after dinner, call this number for emergencies. So the AI agent gets a similar type setup. So you're going to not just hand the AI agent the keys, you're going to give it the parameters and custom instructions that you want it to do. And then once you tell it what you want it to do, it's going to handle everything like that. And it's going to continually get better and better based on those parameters, like I just said. So here is a real world AI agent that I've been using lately for SEO and to improve website traffic. So this is Arvow. There's a link below. You can try this out for free. It's amazing. So basically what it does, this is the end result. It creates fully SEO optimized blog articles to to key in on keywords that you want to rank for to get your site more traffic, more sales, all the things. It includes the internal links, external links, alt text, everything behind the scenes from an SEO standpoint that's really, really important. This thing does for you, but this is the end result. So the AI agent part of this, there's 2 aspects of this that has kind of an AI agent involved. The final part of this is you can use the AI agent to further enhance this article. So you go to AI Assistant and you can also edit this with AI to make it shorter, make it longer. Basically, you tell it, you maybe make it funny, add 2 paragraphs to this, add more paragraphs to this. So the AI agent is going to continually make this better. But you can also set up the blog automation workflow, create an auto blog where basically everything is involved here from an SEO standpoint. So basically, the AI agent is going to look at the feed that you have set up. This could be keywords, a website, whatever YouTube channel. It's going to basically look at this feed, pull out the most important keywords that you want to rank for, generate these articles, and then it's going to automatically publish the articles on your website and social media if you want it. So this is the process that it's going to continually get better, because it's going to continually pull the feed of keywords that you want to rank for over time and automatically publish your content that's SEO optimized. It's going to start to rank your blog pages, rank your service pages that are linked to the blog pages, and then improve the overall traffic of your website. Not to mention, it can write the blog articles in a way that the AI search modes are going to start to pick up on, because it's going to include the information, and you can tailor the blog articles to how AI search is working. So that's kind of a side note, but that's the one that I'm using right now. It's a kind of a real life example. There's thousands of examples out there, but if you're a small business owner or someone that's looking to grow your traffic to your website, which most people are, that's a good tool to use to create an AI agent around what you're doing. All right, so that's a real life example. So why do AI agents matter? Like, at the end of the day, why do you need to know what the heck these things are? Well, it's not a fad. There's going to probably be millions or billions of AI agents in the very near future. But the reason it's important, so for local businesses, it's really going to automate your support. It's going to automate your reminders, follow-ups. It's going to save you a lot of time and money, where you're not going to have to hire someone to do it, or you're not going to have to do it yourself. So if you have a local business, you got to get on board with the AI agent. If you're a marketer, it's going to help you scale your campaigns more efficiently without hiring more people, so saving you a lot of money. So you've got to get on board with the AI agent. If you're an agency, maybe you have an SEO agency or whatever the case may be, it's going to help you deliver client work a lot faster. You can create custom agents for your own business, for other people's business. You saw the Arvow site that I already just showed you. That could basically act as your own SEO agency. You could create multiple profiles and do SEO content for multiple businesses. So if you want to start an agency, you can use a tool like that and be able to easily handle hundreds or thousands of clients. Once you have it set up, you're not going to have to do anything else. Even if you're an individual entrepreneur, it's going to help you offload repetitive tasks and focus on what actually grows your business. You can have an AI agent analyze your email. You can have it do many of the things that you're doing manually right now. So it's important to know how these AI agents can help you so that you can get more efficient, so that you can do more with a lot less time and a lot less work. So the biggest comparison is agents versus apps, right? So I want to touch on this. AI agents are not like apps, because apps just kind of wait for you to open them, wait for you to basically take action on them, whereas AI agents do the job for you passively. Once you have it set up, the AI agents aren't going to stop. They're going to continue to do the work for you. So you don't have to just click buttons. You give it goals, you give it an output, you give it an input, and it's going to do what you want it to do. You don't have to scroll menus. You just say what you want and what you need, and it's going to make it happen and optimize it over time to get better and better and better. So it's like the difference between a vending machine and a butler, right? The vending machine is there when you want it, but the butler is always going to come back. It's always going to continually do the jobs, and it's going to get better at serving you and refining what you want. So that's kind of the biggest difference there. So we're not just heading towards a world of hundreds of apps. We're moving towards a future with billions of AI agents helping individuals, teams, businesses do more with a lot less. So this is why it's important to adopt early, so you can get on board with this and you're not outpaced by the competition, because it's going to be moving very, very fast. So to recap, final takeaways here, this is why it's important to you. AI is the brain, the agent is the action. So AI is all well and good. The agents are going to be using the AI brain to do these tasks and do the workflow for a lot of businesses and a lot of people. And it all follows that 4-step process: input, process, action, learn. That is the process of an AI agent. You can use them today for content, for emails, scheduling, support. There's so much that you can use AI agents for. If you can think it, you can probably do it with an AI agent. So this is just the beginning, but that is a very quick synopsis of what an AI agent is, an example of one, why you need it, why it's important. If you want more information on Arvow, check out this video. on how to use it because it's a great tool using the power of AI and AI agents. I'll be back soon. Have a great day.